Hello, everyone. My name is Kiara Keller. I am a part of Marguerite Chris Bello's eXp Realty team, and I am here today to talk about how to build your organizational chart or your family tree within just a few minutes using Google Sheets. So I'm going to share my screen. In here, the first thing that we are going to want to do is to log into Enterprise. Okay, so once we are in Enterprise, we're going to go into our revenue share dashboard. And we are going to make sure that all of our active agents are selected here, and then we'll go into our revenue share group. Once you have your entire revenue share group, go ahead and export to Excel. Mine pops up in my download bar down here. And then I'm going to go into Google Sheets so that I can insert the spreadsheet. And in Google Sheets, we're going to click File, Import. Make sure you click on Upload, and then you can drag and drop your Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets. Once you do that, click Insert New Sheet, Import Data. And you can see we have our entire revenue share group in here. Now we only want certain rows. And so we're going to delete level and agent ID, email, sponsor ID, and any extra information. So all we want is our agent's name and their sponsor's name. And so we're just going to delete all the extra information. Okay, once we have just our agent's name and their sponsor name in the first two columns, we can go ahead and select. We can go ahead and select just the first two columns. Once you've selected everyone in your revenue share group, you can click Insert, Chart, and then we're going to go ahead and chart type. We will select organizational chart there towards the bottom. And in here, we're going to select the chart, copy it. You can push Command or Control X, or you can right click and select copy. And then we're going to add this chart into a new sheet. So we're going to click Add Sheet. And then in here, we're going to paste the chart, stick it in the corner. And then from here, in order to see the entire chart, we're just going to expand it to the right. And we'll keep expanding it until we can see our entire chart. Once we get over to our last columns, we're going to need to add in more so that we can expand our chart completely. And so we'll highlight our columns, right click, and we'll go Insert to the right. And then that way, we can continue to expand our org chart out and see all of our downline levels. Once you've got enough columns so that you can extend your chart all the way out to as far as your org chart goes, once you have your org chart, you can then change your percentage so you can see the names. We're going to go to 90%. And then we'll click View, Full Screen. And then now we can go ahead and go through each row and see where our org chart is at. You can even download, if you want a PDF of it so that you can blow it up even more, you can download here to a PDF. And here we have our nice, quick and easy org chart for you. Now, this is our entire revenue share group. If you want to break it down just so you see your Frontlines revenue share teams, you can go back into our spreadsheet. You can organize all of your agent names and you can sort them by who their sponsor is over here. So we would just select sponsor name, data, sort, make sure you have the correct column selected. And then here we have, you can build off the organization charts just by selecting certain teams or certain sponsor names if you want to break it down even more. So there we have it. That's our eXp family tree. If you have any comments or questions or any ideas, please post down below and we will engage.